If you want to highlight an important link or promotion, adding a button to your Shopify header navigation makes it stand out for customers. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and going to Online Store, then Navigation. Select the menu that appears in your header, usually called Main Menu or Header Menu. Click Add Menu Item, then enter the button name like Shop Now or Contact Us, and the link where it should direct customers. Save the menu. Some themes allow you to style the menu item as a button in the theme editor. To do this, go to Online Store, Themes, Customize, select the header, and apply button styling if available. Finally, preview your store to ensure the button appears prominently in the header and links correctly. After saving, your header navigation will include the new button for easy access. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.